probably will need a machete. So once you get there, you might want to find one so you can carve paths through the jungle. You're gonna need 2 bags. One bag is gonna be your day pack, which is gonna be completely waterproof. And the other bag is just gonna be your gear bag. So rain gear is not a poncho. Rain gear is waterproof pants and a waterproof layer on top. So get that, that's essential number 1. You're in a rainforest, it's gonna rain. Got it, check. Another thing that's really helpful is waterproof gloves. When you're in the rivers, you're going through vines, it's slippery, it's wet, you might want to have waterproof gloves. Also, what you need is dry wicking gear. Like this shirt here, you see? This is dry wicking. It gets wet, it dries fast. So other things I pack, you can see more dry pack. Everything in here is dry wicking. Okay, so I got 2 long sleeve shirts like this and 1 hoodie. Very easy to pack. Okay, another thing you're gonna need is clothes. So I got pants, shirts, and everything is right in here. So dark colors are nice, lightweight. Get some pants. I got pants in here that go into shorts, really easy, compact. Got that, check. Underwear, socks, you know what that is. Simple, okay? Another thing you're gonna wanna bring is a towel like this, some kind of microfiber towel to dry you off when you're wet. Also, you're going to need a bathing suit. So definitely recommend to bring not just 1 bathing suit, but like 2 bathing suits at least, and maybe a bag for you to dry things out and hang it is also very helpful. Another thing I use are these Sea to Summit dry bags. Amazing, always carry an extra one with me. Also do my laundry in the rainforest. I use Scrubba, amazing wash system so I can keep things clean and cool. Obviously you're gonna need some hiking boots. You're probably gonna be wearing boots, like water boots, but I recommend some just regular hiking shoes. These are Gore-Tex, Hoka's, waterproof, lightweight, easy to maneuver. When you're in the water, walking around the beaches, you're just gonna need some Crocs, so I'd get some Crocs. Something like this is super waterproof, easy to take care of. A few other things you're gonna need in your pack. Toilet paper, obviously, keep a roll wherever you go. And also your toiletries. I got 2 bags, I got some medical equipment in here. I got some first aid kit, toothbrush, toothpaste, little dry pad, basic stuff. So everything I just showed you, I put into this 30-liter bag. And I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna teach you now what to pack in your day pack. So for day pack, you need an earth pack or some type of waterproof pack. This is a 35-liter pack, and it's top load, so it's really easy to put things in. And what I got here is I got flashlights, I got emergency radio, I got water bottles, 2 liters. And look how easy it is to put everything in. Okay, I got chest pack. I got binoculars, you're gonna need those. I got gear for food. I got all kinds of things that I'm gonna need. The first aid kit I always bring in there. And once you get it all in there, you're pretty much rolling, ready to go. And you can see how easy it is. Just basically cinch it down, wrap it up, clip it out, you're good to go. Just like that. And you can see it clips on nicely. And that's what I'm gonna be carrying in the jungle day to day. You can see it's completely waterproof, it's super lightweight. And the other pack, I'm just gonna leave back at camp. So that's how you do it, guys. Hope to see you on the jungle group trips to Costa Rica. Come with me, Corcovado. You can do it together. Thank you. Of course, you're gonna need your passport. You're gonna need some cash. You're gonna need some medications, should you have those things, sunglasses, lip balm, some basics. But in terms of camera gear and equipment, I bring another little pack like this. It's kind of like a mini duffel that goes around my hip. And for me, I'll be doing some underwater footage. I definitely have a camera case like that. You can also, I do a utility belt. So when I'm out there in the field, I got battery packs, microphones, tripod stands, and things like that. Definitely probably want a chest mount as you're going through the jungle. You might want some POV footage. And then of course I have a few extra straps, some power converters to make sure all the electronics actually work where I go. But yeah, you just need like another little pack, whatever works for you and the level of photography and digital technology needs. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Happy jungling.